Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Sunday, July 21st, 2019. Thought I'd make a short video today. I'm in Binghamton, New York, just leaving the TA truck stop. I have 83 miles on my way home. Thanks for joining me, guys. It's another extremely uncomfortable day here in upstate New York. It's well, it just hit 94 here on my outside thermometer. Local weather service is saying it's 90 with a dew point of 70, which makes it pretty uncomfortable. I looked at the weather before I left the truck stop, and at my house it is 84. It's a little cooler. Dew point's still 70 though. But big change for tomorrow. It's been sunny and hot for the last week at home. And first day I'm going to be home in a week. Tomorrow it's rain and 71. Tuesday it's rain and 73. And I'll probably go back to work Tuesday night, and then the weather turns nice and sunny in the mid to upper 70s, low humidity for the rest of the week. That's how it works out usually. That's okay. In a few weeks I'm going to be taking another week off, vacation. Going to be going down to Surfside Beach in South Carolina for a week. Keeping my fingers crossed there won't be any hurricanes or tropical storms or anything that week. Yeah, we kind of go down every year for a week, sometimes two. And there has been two times that we had to leave because of a hurricane over the years. But it is what it is. Right, and keep right. We like going this time of year because the ocean is so warm. Last time I looked at the water temperature off of Surfside Beach, it was 84 degrees. That's like bath water. Hopefully the jellyfish situation will be cleared up by then. Keep right. Usually by getting towards the middle to the end of August, they start dissipating a little bit. Now, I haven't been stung by a jellyfish in a long time, but last year, Melissa, was it last year or the year before, Melissa was stung down by her ankle real bad. And it burns. It really burns them jellyfish. I have 2.5 hours left on my 70-hour work week. Luckily, I have enough time to get home. They're only, like I said, we were just a little over 80 miles from home. So at the most 2 hours, you know, from the time I start my pre-trip earlier till when I do a post-trip, about 2 hours. So we're good to go on that. That's what you call using all your time. Yeah, they asked me if I could do another load tonight up to Vermont, and just can't do it. They ain't got the time. I'm ready for a day or two off though. After being on the road 7 days, it's time to go home.
And 1 mile, keep right.
when I was younger and single, I would stay out for months at a time, just going all over the country. But yeah, anymore, I like to be home once a week, and preferably on the weekend. Kind of missed it this week, but we'll probably miss it next week. So we're gonna do what we got to do until we go on vacation. And I guess it's about 3 weeks or 4 weeks to go. 3 weeks, I think. I wonder if anybody's flying today. Today being Sunday, usually a day that we get together and fly. It's a little hot though. I don't know. I get home here. I'll be home at 4:15. Still be a couple hours daylight. If I've really gotten gear, I could probably go get a couple of flights in tonight. Well, that'll do it for today. I just wanted to make a short little video. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great weekend. Mine is just starting here on Sunday afternoon. And we're going to see you next time. I appreciate you guys being here. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Okay, guys. Take care. We'll see you soon.